I want to tell you about a 96-year-old man in Florida who said one night, I don't think I'm going to make it. I feel very weak. The end is coming. The next day, he was on hydroxychloroquine and antibiotics per his cardiologist. He got up the next day. He was fine. This man is my father.
For me, it saved my life. And I only can go by what it is that I have gone through.
Fortunately for me, they put me on some meds, and the HCQ worked great for me. I will be honest with you there.
And here's what I consider to be the secret weapon: hydroxychloroquine.
What you're saying is you're prescribing it and it is working for COVID-19 patients.
Every patient I've prescribed it to has been very, very ill. And within 8 to 12 hours, they were basically symptom-free.
And your experience with the 80 or so patients you've treated is that you have a lower chance of being put on a vent if you're on the hydroxy, correct?
Correct.
If President Trump had not talked about this, it would not be something that's accessible for anyone to be able to get that right now. And my husband was able to pick that prescription up that night, and I was better within a couple of hours.
The medicines that the president and the CDC and everybody have been talking about, I actually was prescribed. So they worked for me.
I said, if this was your father, would you prescribe it for your father? And he said that he would.
So far, so good. His temperature and oxygen level improving.
It's amazing. It really is. I'm glad I took the chance.
People call these stories anecdotal. Well, data is anecdotal.
It means it wasn't studied and it's only based on personal accounts. Well, add my name to those personal accounts because I am feeling better.